Hello, I'm Seymour, and this is Cooking with Seymour. Okay, so today we're gonna make some pizza pie. Who wants a pizza pie? Me. Pizza pie. Me. Well, I'm just gonna clean this mess up really fast. Okay, hold on. Okay, everything's nice and clean. So, the first thing you need to make pizza pie is a bowl. Assistant, give me my bowl. Okay, get out my screen. Get out. Okay. And another thing you need is tomato. Sister, give me the tomato.
One tomato.
Put it in there. Tomato. That's for the pizza. And another thing you need is chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yum. Chocolate. Yum. Okay, another thing you need is spaghetti.
Spaghetti pre-made.
Yeah, delish. Okay, and the final secret ingredient is grapes. She's so annoying. Okay, nothing. Okay, now we got all the ingredients. Now you gotta get the spoon and mix it all up. Okay. Okay, you mix it then. Okay.
No, abort.
Okay, now.
I'll do it.
Listen, I'm trying to do a show here.
I'll help you.
Okay, you're a little cute baby. Okay, you can mix it for me. Mix it really good. Mix it really good. What's your name? What's your name?
Legs.
That's a weird
Legs
name.
number 2. Big.
That's not very sanitary.
My
Okay.
real name is Sophia, but
Okay, nobody cares. Okay, you okay? That's enough. Thank you. Get out my show. Okay. Security. Okay, sorry for the delay. There was a crazy leg person. Okay, so now you're done all mixing it all pretty with the ingredients and all that jazz. You have to put it in the oven. This beautiful oven. Okay, I'll be right back. Put it in the oven. Okay, so it's done cooking, and now I gotta take it out the oven. Assistant. Oh, it's nice and beautiful. Oh, look at my pizza pie. Pizza pie, pizza pie, pizza pie.
Taste tester.
What are you talking about?
You always have a taste tester.
This is my pizza pie.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this.
Taste tester.
I'm gonna cut
I'm gonna
this.
get a taste tester.
Cutting. Oh, drop my spatula. Pizza pie.
Oh, no, I don't want to.
Get out my show.
Okay, do
I
it.
didn't invite you. You ate my pizza pie. Now I gotta make another one. I'm suing you. Okay, shut up. Well, that was rude. Okay, goodbye. Oh. Well, I got beat up, and yeah. I hope you like my cooking show. Yeah, there will be many more. Oh, Wishful, stop it! I don't like you.